What if I told you humans just summoned lightning, on purpose, with a drone? And not in a sci-fi movie, but in Japan, in 2025. You're watching Fact Frenzy, where the future unfolds before your eyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world wonders. Imagine controlling one of the most powerful forces of nature, lightning. That's exactly what Japanese telecom giant NTT just did in a groundbreaking experiment. In early 2025, they launched a drone equipped with a lightning-proof cage into stormy skies over Hamada City, Japan. But they didn't just wait for lightning, they called it. The drone was tethered to the ground using a conductive wire. This setup altered the surrounding electric field, essentially creating a magnetic beacon that attracted a lightning bolt. Think of it like a modern-day lightning rod, but flying. And here's where it gets even more electrifying. The drone's protective cage didn't just survive the strike. It redirected the energy, withstanding forces 5 times stronger than average lightning bolts. That's nature's raw power, and it was safely handled. But NTT isn't stopping there. This isn't just a flashy science trick. The long-term goal: to store lightning energy for real-world use. Imagine lightning-powered cities or emergency backup systems charged by storms. If successful, it could revolutionize disaster preparedness and clean energy tech worldwide. Lightning strikes cost Japan nearly $1.4 billion every year in storm-related damage. What if drones like these could control where lightning hits, reducing destruction, and maybe even converting danger into power? You think summoning lightning is wild? Just wait until you see what's coming next. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, if you believe this tech could change the future of energy forever. And share this video, because science just took a thunderous leap forward.